Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Get ready for the dictation. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. India is a huge country. It has many territories. Each state has many cities. Each city has its own special significance. Some hold their own importance from a natural point of view, and some are culturally dignified. Some are rich in industrial terms, and some are religious for the countryman due to being a religious place. Due to many historical memories, it attracts people from India and abroad. So, there is a center of attraction due to any political solution. But Delhi is a huge city in India which is important in many respects. It is the capital of India. This is his heart as well as his heart. It is a mirror in which the picture of the whole of India is seen. It is a political, social, religious, cultural, and historical theatre which is not seen elsewhere. This city of gold, this Alkapuri of the earth, Delhi is tied with silk string and sometimes has slept on a flower bed and has cried wearing a crown of thorns. Sometimes it is adorned like a bride, and sometimes the vermilion of its forehead is also erased. Historically, it can be called Anangpal and Prithviraj's Delhi. Yavan kings have also led a net of their diplomacy here. Some dynasties have styled it, while the robber invaders like Shak, Hun, Kushan, this Delhi has also seen a compassionate view of the massacre of Timur and Nadir Shah. Many craftsmen of the country and abroad have increased the beauty of Delhi. The echoes of history are heard here. When the son of the British Empire shone, its court was decorated in Delhi itself. The British government here tried to increase their statues by decorating their statues, but they did not know that the real masters of this Delhi are Indians. It was here that slogans were struck against the British. Gandhi, Jawahar, and other patriots raised the slogan for the demand for independence, and in the end, the British had to take off from here forever. After independence, our leaders have restored this city. Here, signs of Indianness have been established by eliminating the signs of foreignness. This city is the center of travel for the people of India and abroad. Therefore, the government of India, to make it as beautiful as possible, is trying, for the roads here are so vast that every type of vehicle can run on them. There are various green flowering plants on both sides of the roads. Each street offers a view of a magnificent garden. A race of scooters, taxis, buses, cars, and trams is always visible on these roads. Every part of this historic city is worth visiting. This city is incomparable in terms of historical buildings. The Red Fort is the center of attraction for visitors. Its Naubat Khana, Rang Mahal, and Diwan-e Khas are worth seeing. The Yamuna Pillar, which is called Qutub Minar, narrates the last story of Prithviraj Chauhan. Jantar Mantar, built by Rajput king Man Singh, is a strange thing. Its philosophy generates fear, amusement, curiosity, and curiosity in the viewer. In ancient times, it used to understand the time of day and the calculation of constellations at night. Humayun's tomb is reminiscent of Humayun's historical personality. Jama Masjid has its own popularity. Delhi also teaches the text of coordination. It is a confluence of various religions, sects, and political parties. Here, the extremes of both prosperity and poverty are seen.